Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we got something special up for y'all. So Qimistri has this new thing that is buttercream for body and for hair. Let me say it again. For body and for hair. Okay? So this is such a cute packaging, isn't it? Okay, so this, first of all, let's just smell it. Okay, that's the main thing, we gotta smell it. Okay, that's what it looks like. I got a mini one, travel size pack, perfect. Okay, yeah, just put this down. So this, okay, let's see the ingredients. It has organic cocoa butter, organic organic argan oil, organic almond oil, organic strawberry. You already know it's gonna smell good. Vitamin E, arrowroot powder, fragrance. Okay. It smells like, it smells so good. It's like strawberry, chocolate, like, it's so fruity. Oh my god, I can just smell this all day. Low-key addicted. Okay, let's stop smelling and start using. Okay, so this, the way you can use it on, I think a little goes a long way with this. Okay, so you rub it in your hands. Wow, it literally melts. Wow, this is literally like oil. I think, okay, so we're just, for my hair, we're gonna use this as oil, like as a sealer. Okay, for my body, let's check it out. Okay, this is, okay, actually this is such a perfect thing for, like, the summertime is coming up now. Spring, we're at spring right now. You're gonna have to smell good like this. Like, this fruity fragrance is perfect for this time. Yo, I'm gonna use this every single day. Wow, I feel like you can even use this on your face because of, like, the ingredients, you know? I smell so good. Okay, I feel so smooth. Okay. I'm so annoyed. Okay, so we're gonna use this on my hair. So let's just, you know what, we can do this. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. This video is not just going to be about chemistry, and we're gonna do my hair. Okay, we're gonna do my hair. Because I was just gonna, yeah, it's oil. Okay, get yourself together. So for today, I wasn't gonna film this, but I'm gonna film it now. So for today, we're gonna use these two. Perfect duo. Okay, if you guys see my Instagram, then I have it on my highlights. Like, these two are so perfect. Actually, I'm gonna use this oil, Brianni's oil, but I just put it in this container so I can easily apply it. Applicator, that's what it's called. Okay. So I put a lot of this because one, it's $6, so it's okay. Two, it's very, like, okay, how do I say this? It's very light, so, like, little don't go a long way. You know what I mean? Like, you gotta put a bunch of it for, like, my type of hair. If you have, like, wavy hair, then it's fine if you put a little bit. But I just feel like this don't really moisturize it very well, which is why this and the conditioner is like a perfect duo, because that one is very thick and moisturizing, and then this one is just, I don't know, it just goes well with it. but it's not really moisturizing. Like, it don't hold it, the curls. And then I'm just like spreading the product all around by just combing it out. Okay, I feel like it's drier in the back. You know, I thought after I chopped my hair off, the crown would be better. The crown is still dry. It's okay, we have the oil now, so we're gonna concentrate the oil, like the Qimistri buttercream oil. I keep calling it oil. It's not oil, but it's just like when it's on the palm of your hand, it like melts, so it's like oil, you know? But we're gonna put that around the crown of my hair. Okay, so I'm using right now the lock method, okay? So, you know, leave-in olive, leave-in oil and cream. And so this I'm using as a leave-in, even though it's not, it's a defining curl custard. I'm using it as a leave-in. And so now we're gonna use Qimistri's butter. Ooh, so slippery. Okay, I think I put too much. Okay. I think this is all I'm gonna use. Wow, if this is all I'm gonna use, it's gonna last me forever. Oh, I think that's all I'm gonna use. I'm shook. My hair smells so good. So even though I'm like using this for like on wet hair, you can definitely use it on dry hair too. Like just like dampen just a little bit, like your hair, your dry hair, and then put the oil on, put the butter on, and then yeah, wow. Like the oil is still here, you know what I mean? So really, just a little goes a long way with this. Okay, so this is how I do my hair, okay? So I use a brush, and I'm gonna just show y'all. So I brush everything up so it can be easier for me, just because I have short hair, so it can be easier for me to hold it. And then I just do a line, place it down, and I'll just comb it. So even if I let go, it's still there because I brushed it up, you know? Okay. And then I take small sections, don't have to be perfect lines. I'm just trying to get sections to comb it out. I'll brush it out. Okay, so we are done, right? I'm like thinking, should I diffuse? Okay, we're gonna wait about 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and then we'll diffuse. I say 15 minutes, I don't wait 15 minutes, but I say 15 minutes just because this is like pretty thick. So like the air, like the fact that I'm diffusing is not really gonna like mess with my curls, you know what I mean? If it was like a lightweight product, then I would probably wait like 30 minutes until it like sinks in to my hair, and like it's dry, quarter way, then I would diffuse it. 15 minutes, that's what we're gonna do. Be back. I am absolutely shocked. Okay, so diffusers, okay? Let me know if I'm wrong in the comment below. But even when you diffuse your hair, you'll still see like frizzes, you know what I mean? And I just kept diffusing, and it was taking longer than it usually does. And I was like, why isn't my hair looking dry, you know? And when I touched it, it's dry. Literally, this is dry. But I don't see any type of like friction, frizz. Like it looks so still juicy and curly. And I have done this, like I have literally used these two products together before, and this is not like the outcome that I be getting, you know? So you know very well that it is all Qimistri's buttercream. I'm so shook, y'all. Like, I'm so shook. Wow. Okay. Trust me, guys, I'm not even getting paid, okay, to advertise this or promote this or whatever. Like, I don't be bringing up to you guys something that don't work. Trust me, this works. And you know how, you know when you like diffuse your hair and then it's like the air is blowing so you can smell your like product? I couldn't even smell those two products. All I could smell is the Qimistri buttercream, and it smells so good. Like my hair smells like it, my body smells like it. Ooh, so much stress. Okay. Wow. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna put the link down below of their website, and y'all can go get yourself some buttercream, because this is fire. Like, this is so bomb. Like, I'm so shook. Wow. Okay, and also this is my curly hair routine, and this is it when it is dry. Wait, okay, the roots are not like fully dry, just a little bit left, but this is my hair. And I usually pick out like the top part and not really the bottom, because it is getting longer and I just want it to be flat and short. And then this could be like more, you know. First day hair is usually like a little flat, so I'm just waiting for second day hair, and then it'll start like getting better and looking better. But thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video if you like it. Don't dislike it. Why would you dislike it? Anyway, thank you for watching. Have a good one, y'all.